Okay, here's Grandma Gatewood, and she walked the Appalachian Trail 3 times with some of the most simple things, but the most efficient. Here's her pair of tennis shoes and a bag to carry her belongings. But the most intriguing is the Band-Aid survival kit, and we're gonna try our own. Okay, so here's the Band-Aid survival kit, and I had these inner tubes. They're the average size inner tube for a bike. 5 strands of tarred thread, and you can tear that each strand of thread apart and make finer threads to sew stuff. But I spun it together and wrapped it around. There's 30 feet of that thicker thread, and that could be used for making shelters. So I have the spider wire. I've used spider wire a lot in different things, but that's a great strong fishing line to use. And there it is. You can actually boil on this. With an Altoid can, it's not so easy to boil your water if need be. So let's open it up. Inside I have a striker, and I loaded this thing full. There's that compass. So right here is 7mm plastic. It's 4x6, and I just used a piece and cut it off a painter's tarp, and that's cheap. That's like $1.24 at Walmart. Here's Neosporin right there. So that's the oil you can use to start fires. We'll see if we can get. There's the mag light I've shown you before. A very nice mag light for finding your direction. Very bright, way better than most lights in the kits. A nice, it's called a peanut knife. It's made by Remington, and this is one that was made in USA back then. Find a knife like that. I have a ferrocerium rod in here, and it's good to carry a needle. I just put electrical tape around it, and I also have electrical tape around this tin up top here. Tons of that. 30 feet of that string, electrical tape. There's a small Altoid survival tin, and I got the wad of cotton. I have the split shots, the triple 14 hooks for trout. I bought a sharpening stone here. I got a sharpening stone for your knife, because that's important to keep that knife sharpened. And I have 10 purification tablets, these hooks and the matches, and an extra striker right inside this kit. So you have your water purification, you have your combustion devices, you have the ferrocerium rod, and tons of matches. A whole kit to carry everything so you're not losing your hooks and things like that. 30 feet on here. 30 feet of that line is very valuable. That's an easy, simple kit. If you find a Band-Aid container, you got it made.